Let's learn how to upload 10-minute videos on TikTok. Welcome back, guys. If you want to upload long-form videos on TikTok that are up to 10 minutes long, then you came to the right place. It's really easy to upload them, and the first step that you want to do is to open your App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Search for TikTok and check if you have the latest version of the app installed. If TikTok is not updated, then update it and we can continue to the next step. We can open the TikTok app and then let's upload our video. Simply tap on the little plus button in the bottom center and your TikTok camera will open. Now we can simply swipe and select the 10-minute mode. We can record a video directly from the camera, or just upload one from our photo gallery. Then you can edit it and share it with your friends. And that's about it, guys. That is how you can easily share TikTok videos that are up to 10 minutes in length. Make sure to subscribe to more TikTok tutorials and I'll see you in the next one.